y'all, here is a few before pictures, and just a quick heads up, this did take several hours to do, so a lot of this is going to be time lapse, so sit back and enjoy the video.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain starts hitting town. Yeah, on a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me going strong. I just need my happy face to keep me moving on. Looking out the window, reflecting who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even Uncle Sam. Life might be a struggle, life might be a fight, but I am here to show the world that I can make it right. On a bad day, on a good day, on a bad day, rain keeps raining.
Alright y'all, so as you can see, I have a huge wrinkle right here that I need to get out. I mean, it's massive. I'm tired. My arm is killing me. So I need to get pretty much the wrinkle out from here down and all of this. I got most all of this out by beating the crap out of it. I still got to get this, obviously. But that won't be that bad. My arm just started getting tired and started hurting, so I stopped on this. Now what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to stretch this metal back out. I'm not trying to, like, you know, pull it straight out, just far enough to where I can start hammering it back out with the sledgehammer. I may go get the big 10-pound or 8-pound, whatever it is, sledgehammer from Dad's house. All I have is like the handheld. I don't know how much that thing weighs, maybe 3 pounds or 2 pounds, I don't know. This is just aluminum, but it's just pretty stout. With it being, you know, 1.5 feet wide or whatever, it's a lot to try to hammer out at one time. So I've got this hooked to the forklift itself right here, and then at top I got it hooked to the actual boom. And I'm gonna gently just go up with it. My plan is to try to just go up with it, and as I'm putting pressure on it, I'm gonna try to just hammer out the dent. I am gonna put a block back here, I think. I might just put a block back there, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Put a wooden 4x4 back there so I have something to hammer against, and just slowly try to stretch this thing out. So sit back, buckle up. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. might want to get some popcorn for it. So as you can see, the step turned out good. You can still see it's a little wrinkly right up in here, but these brackets on both sides were also bent. I straightened them up best I could in the press, got them straight again. I got to repaint this side because it's all nasty looking, a little bit messed up right here on this edge, but everything's fine. You can see where I bolted it back together and stuff with fresh bolts. I've got the wrinkle out of it, or for the most part the wrinkle. You really can't see any wrinkle there. It's all fine. You see where I was beating the crap out of it there. And same thing on this side. You see where I had the pressing it down there, and it's all good. Not everything lined up 100%. I mean, you can see like up in there, it's not perfect, but for the most part, everything went back together nice and easy. So, yeah, put the regulator back in here like it was, but that's where I tore it with the forklift, where it ripped those bolts out. But it all worked. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. And next video I'm working on right now, it should be going up tomorrow or the following day. Yeah, it's not the best situation, but I had to take the motor out. I know there's a bunch of people that's already caught on to me having to put a new crankshaft in this thing. Not really because I had to. The crank seemed to be fine, but it had some bottom end noise that I didn't like, and I was just going to run it because these motors are loud anyway. Anyway, yeah, that content will be up in a day or two. Anyway, I'm getting off here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and I'm gonna try to keep putting out the content as fast as I can. You know, one of those things, I gotta work to make money. I gotta work on my truck, and one thing after another. But anyway, thanks for watching. See y'all next time.